Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex trading, using the TC2000 and Tradingview platforms. Hello, this is the Forex Week in Review for the 28 Forex majors and minors. We'll start off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. As you can see here, we have a target on the strategic picture of 1.14881 to the upside. Operational picture, we're above the dragon, below the dragon, and in the dragon, and end up above the dragon. Translated to the tactical picture with a lot of chop at the beginning, and then this incredible surge here with the surprise to the CPI, and more chop throughout the rest of the week to get some of those gains back, and then small gain at the end of the week. The profit of $398. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. We have no target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon throughout the operational picture on the 8-hour. Translated to a lot of chop and some initial gains, and then some more chop towards the end of the week with a loss of $260. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen on the strategic picture. We have a price target at 169.659 to the upside. Pretty significant target range over there with this price action. Operational picture above the dragon, then below the dragon. Translated to the tactical picture with a nice profit of $1,470. Aussie down to New Zealand dollar, we have a strategic target of 1.30077 to the upside. Price action above the dragon, then below the dragon. Translated to a lot of chop with a profit of $43. Aussie dollar, US dollar, we have a price target at 0.42394 to the downside. Significant downside risk here. Price action above the dragon initially, and then went below the dragon. With that CPI number, continually went below the number. Translated to the tactical picture with a loss of $746. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, we have a price target of 1.1238 to the upside. Price action below the dragon currently. Translated to a lot of chop among the dragon. Loss of $599. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we have a strategic target of 158.073 to the upside. Price action above the dragon. Price action on the operational picture above the dragon, then below the dragon. Translated not so good at the beginning of the week, but once we hit that news, some major price flows to the downside with a profit of $3,093. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we have a price target 154.694 to the upside. Price action above the dragon, back below, in the dragon, then back below. Translates some nice flows to the upside and downside with a profit of $3,026. Euro Aussie dollar, we have a price target of 1.02503 to the downside. Price action in the dragon, above the dragon, back in, and then back above. Translated some nice flows initially to the downside, then to the upside for a profit of $2,494. Euro Canadian dollar, we have a price target of 302.02 to the downside. Significant price action to the downside in terms of valuation. Huge price gap here. Price action above the dragon, in the dragon, and above the dragon on the 8-hour. Translated to some initial chop overall, then a really nice gain towards the end of the week with a profit of $1,558. Euro Swiss franc, we have price target of 92177 to the downside on the strategic picture. Price action on the operational picture below the dragon, then above. Flows on the tactical picture did not translate very well. It was above and below the dragon with a loss of $852. Euro British pound, we have a significant price target to the downside at 0.54447. Price action below the dragon, then shot up above the dragon. Significant surges to the upside with a profit of $1,545. Euro Japanese yen, we have a price target to the upside at 233.374. Price action above the dragon, back below the dragon. Translated to a lot of consolidation chop on the tactical picture with a loss of $395. Euro New Zealand dollar, we have a price target of 1.17803 to the downside. Price action above the dragon on the operational picture. Translated some nice flows to the upside with a profit of $2,369. Euro US dollar, We have a price target of 0.8472 to the downside, price action above the dragon, then shot below the dragon. In tactical picture, initial price action was choppy and then some flows to the downside, but continued consolidation throughout the rest of the week with a profit of $529. British pound Aussie dollar, we have a price target of 1.008 to the downside. Price action below the dragon, above the dragon, back below. Translated to the tactical picture with some really nice flows to the upside and downside with a profit of $4,205. British pound Canadian dollar, we got a price target to the downside at 1.21116. Operational picture kind of all over the map. Above, in the dragon above, then back below. However, on the tactical picture, some nice flows to the upside with a profit of $803. British pound Swiss franc, we got a price target of 0.70143 to the downside. All price action on the operational picture to the downside. Nice flows overall to the downside with a profit of $940. British pound Japanese yen, we got a price target to the upside at 233.256. Really extreme there. That's almost double the actual price. Price action above the dragon, back below the dragon. Initial spike here when the CPI number came up there, but it was pretty up throughout the flow on the tactical picture with a profit of $1,801. British pound New Zealand dollar, we got a price target to the downside of 1.59467. Price action above the dragon and below the dragon. Translated some nice flows to the upside and downside with a profit of $1,670. British pound US dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, then below the dragon. Initial flows to the upside was nice, and then so we got some nice flows to the downside with a profit of $4,335. New Zealand Canadian dollar, we have a price target of 0.70221 to the downside. Price action above the dragon, below, and then back above. Translated to the operational picture with a lot of chop both after the CPI number and before it, with a loss of $578. New Zealand Swiss franc, we got a price target of 46308 to the downside. Price action below the dragon. In agreement, translated to the tactical with a profit of $233. New Zealand Japanese yen, we have a price target of 148.3 to the upside. Price action above the dragon, then shot below the dragon. Translated some nice tactical overall flows to the downside with a profit of $2,056. New Zealand US dollar, we have a price target to the downside of 43355. Strategic operational picture, we have price above the dragon, below the dragon. A lot of chop during this particular time. So overall flows with a loss of $1,607. US dollar Canadian dollar, we have price target 83406 to the downside on the strategic picture. Price action below, then shot above the dragon. A lot of consolidation during that time. We were able to get a profit of $295 out of this flow. US dollar Swiss franc, we got a price target at 0.59432 to the downside on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, above, back in the dragon, a little bit above the dragon. Translated to an overall loss with a consolidation of $75. US dollar Japanese yen, we have a price target to the upside of 185.325 to the upside. Price action on the operational picture below the dragon, above, and then in the dragon. Overall translation of the tactical picture at $470. All right, looking at the overall market, we have gold at price target at 2332.53 to the upside. S&P 500, no target. NASDAQ, we still have that upwards target of 29,906. The downside, if it maintains this level, we could see some significant price action to the downside, which would nullify this upward target. For the Dow, we also have no target right now. It's recalculating its vertical and horizontal counts. Natural gas, no target on the strategic picture. U.S. oil, we have a target of 206.46 for the barrel. That would devastate this country. Well, folks, that's all I have for the Forex Week in Review. We're currently conducting a Forex Bootcamp and a Forex Intermediate course. And we have a Forex Operations course where we do programming in Python and PineScript to automate our trades so we can spend it doing other things. And folks, remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.